Rooted in CHANGZHOU, driving the world. With 2 decades of expertise, we are crafting the powerhouses for 30 nations worldwide. This is Honest, a hidden champion in the global precision motor industry. With a cutting-edge product portfolio featuring IE5 ultra-high energy efficiency and IP68 waterproof ratings, Honest provides comprehensive coverage across 12 key application fields, including pool pumps, garden tools, and medical devices. The challenges in your industry we have already overcome with proven solutions. Your vision shapes our blueprint. From 3D modeling to electromagnetic design, we don't offer standard solutions. We create the perfect fit for each customer. Guided by our quality philosophy of employee satisfaction, customer satisfaction, and social satisfaction, we safeguard the quality promise of every contract, starting from sample comparison and IQC. Spanning 80,000 square meters of advanced manufacturing space, 6 workshops form a complete industrial chain, driving an efficient system with an annual capacity of 5 million units. Our CNC machining lathes achieve micrometer-level precision, while the precise assembly of components ensures motor durability. In the symphony of fully automated stator-rotor production lines and handcrafted customization, Industry 4.0 intelligence is combined with the precision of skilled craftsmanship. This smart and craftsmanship dual approach enables Honest to handle high-volume orders of over 100,000 units, while also delivering uniquely tailored motors for specialized applications. Our varnishing process ensures double insulation, providing full protection covering insulation classes from B to H. Each motor undergoes comprehensive safety checks and noise control measures, ensuring that we deliver not only products, but also a commitment to safety and reliability. Powered by the digital dashboard of our WMS system, inventory levels are precisely aligned with production line demands. Our global manufacturing network spans CHANGZHOU, Vietnam, Ningbo, and Malaysia, ensuring that when the world needs power, our motors are always on the way. Global certifications underscore our commitment to quality and safety. Over 100 motor patents establish a robust technological advantage. We strictly adhere to Rose-REACH environmental standards, while our solar-powered energy and exhaust purification systems embody our commitment to sustainability, ensuring every motor carries the mission of a greener future. This is the story of precision power, one that Honest is proud to share every step of the way.